Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because we are going to open up the Dobby Scentsy Buddy and we're going to open up the Snitch, the Golden Snitch Buddy Clip, which I have opened up on a previous video that was for Buddy Clips, but I thought it was perfect to open up again with Dobby because it is something new. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm so excited to open up the Golden Snitch Buddy Clip and the Dobby Scentsy Buddy. Like I said, I have opened this before and it is really stinking cute. It's brand new in the catalog. If you see, Harry Potter, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter has made it to the catalog, which I think is phenomenal. And so I'm super excited. We have the Hedwig Buddy, we have the Hogwarts Warmer, and the Wizarding World Harry Potter scent, as well as scent pack. And now we have the Golden Snitch Buddy Clip, which is scented with the Wizarding World Harry Potter scent. So we're going to open that first since I have previously opened it. So cute, right? Perfect for the Potter fans. Perfect for a backpack, you guys. Easter's coming. This is a great time to grab it. So let's go ahead and open it. It's just really cool. It's just really cool. Now, for me, I'm going to need to take this off because I don't want it hanging. But it still looks cool. On one side, you have the Scentsy. On the other side, you have the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. But the Golden Snitch Buddy Clip is just absolutely adorable. I'm here for it. And it smells amazing. I love this scent. Okay, so let me read you the scent description. Sparkling citrus and green apple illuminate mahogany woods, while vanilla and a touch of amber add warmth and charm. It's very Harry Potter. It just screams Harry Potter, but this is perfect for a backpack. So think Easter, it's coming. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that away. And then we will open Dobby, which I have not peeked. It's been here for a few days. And I'm a huge Potter nerd. So it's been hard not to peek, but I wanna be surprised when I see it. Now, obviously, I've seen pictures, but I have not held him in my hands. He comes with a sock. If you don't remember, or if you haven't seen the movie, but you have a family member that loves Harry Potter, the significance of the sock is that elves are basically slaves for wealthy people, okay? But if the owner gives any sort of clothing to the house elf, it sets them free. So Dobby's owner was a real, okay, I'm going to say jerk because all the other words just are not good for YouTube. He wasn't a very nice guy. And so Harry Potter actually tricked him into giving Dobby a sock, which set Dobby free. So Dobby is a free elf, which is very rare, okay? So we're going to go ahead and open him up. The graphics on it are so cute. It has a ton of different Potter graphics on there. So cute. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open up Dobby. I'm excited. I've been wanting Dobby. I remember when we got the Harry Potter collection, my daughter Caitlin was like, oh my God, we need a Dobby buddy. And she called it. She's like, we need Hedwig and we need Dobby. And that's what we got. Oh my God. He's scrumptious. He's scrumptious. They nailed it. His smile and everything. They nailed it. Oh my gosh. And his sock. And his sock comes off. Oh my gosh. Dobby, you're a free elf. I'm so excited for you. I wish he'd clean my house though. Like my floors are a hot mess. Anyways, so he comes with the scent pack for the Wizarding World Harry Potter. So I am going to take this out and smell it. And put it... Oh my gosh! How cute are his little chonies? Oh, they're so cute. It's plaid. Oh, Dobby. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so if you've never had a Scentsy Buddy before, and you don't know what a scent pack is, it's basically like a scent sachet. It has little like scented beads on the inside. And so all of our buddies come with a zipper pouch. His just happens to be in his back. Man, that smells good. Okay, so you just kind of stuff it in his back and then zip him up. And now he is a scented plush. Oh my gosh. They nailed it. Oh, and I love like how they tied this here, because this is how Dobby looked. Like he was a hot mess, but he was a really good friend to Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Oh my gosh. He was, oh my gosh. I can't even with Dobby. He is so stinking cute. I can't. His ear, they nailed it. Oh my gosh. Good job, Scentsy. Good job. Oh, he's so stinking cute. I can't. All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Get yourself a Dobby before he sells out. Again, Easter's coming. This is a great time to grab a Dobby. Absolutely adorable. They nailed it. Looks just like him. All right, you guys. I hope you're having a great Monday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.